Hello, 5th grade. We're on Domain 5, Lesson 6, Making Inferences, Michelangelo's and Raphael's Artistic Achievements. So today we're going to make inferences about how Michelangelo and Raphael's works of art represent the spirit of the Renaissance. We're going to identify and explain the function of prepositions and prepositional phrases and sentences. We're going to read multisyllabic words with a prefix X out of the context, and we're going to look at spelling words. Some key vocabulary for today's lesson: accurately, correctly, doing something without mistakes or errors; modest, shy, and quiet, does not brag about oneself; portray, to show someone or something in a painting, book, etc.; reluctantly, unwillingly, or unenthusiastically; a scholar is a student and also a person who has studied a subject for a long time and knows a lot about it; superior is of the highest quality; Madonna, another way to identify Mary, the mother of Jesus; epitaph is something written or said in memory of a person who has died; and scaffold is a temporary platform on which a person stands or sits while working high above the ground. You're going to go ahead and read the chapter. Yes, I know we've already read this chapter, and that's okay. It's really important that we read a chapter more than one time. It gives us a little bit more understanding, and sometimes we catch things that we missed in the first time. So as you're reading, make sure you pause the video at any time to read more thoroughly. Okay. Our word work for today is accurately. To work quickly and accurately, he said. Accurately means correctly without mistakes or errors, and that is an adverb. So we're going to learn about a part of speech that's called a preposition. So a preposition shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another phrase. So a preposition gives information about where something happens, when something happens, and who or what is or an object of the sentence. So a preposition, it answers the where, the when, and with whom. So for example, where is the pencil? The preposition describes the location of the pencil. So for this one, the pencil is above the book. Above is our preposition. That's telling the where the pencil is in correlation to the book. Now, same thing here. Where is the pencil now? The pencil is to the right of the book, or next to the book. Both of those, next to the right of, those are prepositional words and phrases that describe the location of the pencil to the book. So they're often used, prepositions are often used in prepositional phrases. Remember, all it means when we say phrases is it's just more than one word. A prepositional phrase contains a preposition and other words, so like a, and, the. It contains a noun. There might be a possessive noun or pronoun, some adjectives, adverbs. So for example here, so if a preposition is in a place, it might say at the elementary school, in his messy backpack, at the store. That is still showing the location. It's just not one word. Prepositions can also show time. What time did school end? Around 3:30 in the afternoon. I was full after a big and tasty dinner. Those are showing the time. Now, partner is saying who is it with? What is involved? Well, it's without their dog, with her little sister Minjun. It's showing the who. So remember, prepositions show the when, the where, and the with whom. So we're going to talk a little bit about the prefix X. So prefix X means away or out. So exhale, excavate, exclude, export, expel, extract, exit, and exterior. Remember, we're adding the EX to a root word. So remember, that changes that meaning. And here is our spelling words for the week. Now, I know we aren't doing actual spelling tests, but it's still really important that you see these words and kind of get familiar with them. So we have achievement, architect, create, culture, imagine, invention, literature, movement, rebirth, and sculptor. And that is the end of lesson 6. We will see everyone in lesson 7.